Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by shutting the water off and relieving pressure. That prevents mess and lets you inspect the thread closely. Next, remove the handle and trim so you can see the damaged male or female thread. Use a brush and solvent to remove grime, then a light file to lift any burrs. This evens the surface and reveals how many threads are lost. Once done, measure thread size and pitch so you know what repair method will fit. You now decide between inserting a thread repair coil versus replacing the stem or adapter. Choose a coil if the housing is intact, and replacement if the part is cheap or cracked. For a coil, drill and tap to the specified size, wind the insert with the installation tool, and seat it until flush. That restores original thread strength. For male threads, carefully file to the next standard size or fit a replacement fitting. Finally, apply tape or compound to seal and prevent leaks. You reassemble the faucet components in reverse order, making sure gaskets and O-rings are seated. Tighten parts to hand firm plus about a quarter turn so you avoid overstressing new threads. Then, open the water slowly and observe the repair under normal pressure to confirm no leaks. If you see weeping, turn the water off, disassemble, and either reseat the coil or add more thread compound. This is the key trouble.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.